Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire with cards for beginners. First, let's set up the game. You'll deal 28 cards into 7 tableau piles, increasing from 1 to 7 cards per pile. The top card of each tableau pile is face up. The remaining 24 cards form the stock pile, face down. You'll also have a waste pile and 4 empty foundation piles. Now, let's talk about moving cards. You can move cards between the 7 tableau piles. Cards must be placed in descending order and alternate in color, for example, a red 6 on a black 7. You can also draw cards from your stock pile, usually 1 or 3 at a time, to the waste pile. If a tableau column becomes empty, you can only place a king there. The main objective of Solitaire is to build the 4 foundation piles. Each foundation pile must be built up in ascending order, starting with an ace, then a 2, and so on, all the way to a king, and all cards must be of the same suit. You can move cards to the foundations from either the tableau piles or the waste pile. Once all 52 cards are in their respective foundation piles, you win. Here are some helpful tips for new players. Always try to expose face-down cards in your tableau piles as quickly as possible. This gives you more options. Prioritize moving aces and 2s to the foundation piles whenever you can. Also, take a moment to think a few moves ahead before making a decision. With practice, you'll develop your own winning strategies and enjoy the game even more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.